Hey guys, I'm Mello and this is my family's farm. We have lots of animals on our farm. Let's talk about some of them. Here is Phil the pig.
Hey kiddos, I'm Phil the pig. My favorite thing to do is to eat. Yum, 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 so good.
Phil is so awesome. Now meet Hannah the horse.
Hey little ones, I'm Hannah the horse. My favorite thing to do is run through the farm with the wind through my hair.
I love to ride Hannah. This is Rusty Rooster. Rusty is a little shy. Come on out, Rusty.
Hey kids, I'm Rusty Rooster. My favorite thing is to... Okay, I'm out of here.
This is Carla the cow.
Hey everyone, I'm Carla the cow. My favorite thing to do is to eat dinner with all my siblings.
That's just a few of our farm animals. Hit that like button and also subscribe to see more videos like these.
Subscribe to Vance Kids Learning for more videos like this.